Hello, to fix always on display, which is available only for 10 seconds on your Xiaomi Poco X7, as you can see the always on display is disappearing, is going off, and you have to tap it again to enable it. And as the name says, it's always on display, but apparently in this phone it is not. So let me quickly show you how to fix it. You have to go into your settings, then scroll all the way down and go into the... Oh no, actually you have to go all the way up, and right here you have to go into About Phone, and you have to tap a couple of times the OS version, and you have to be into in the developer mode. So now you have to go back, into the settings, go all the way down and go into the additional settings, and from here you have to go into the developer options and you have to go all the way down again. Right here, and here we have the reset to default values a little bit on the top, and you have to tap it a couple of times, and as you can see here is the option that has appeared right now, turn on system optimization. You simply have to turn off this option, and here's some important warning that you simply have to accept it. And right now let me show you, as we disable the phone, as we lock the phone, the always on display will stay right here all the time. So that is the fix for the only for 10 seconds always on display. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.